Do you want to take your home close to nature, with good amenities, but not able to search? Don't worry, we bring a best project for you, the Nature, by and Mall developers. The Nature is G4-story commercial and residential project, which is 5-minute drive and 20-minute walkable distance from Curzon railway station. The Nature is 5 minutes walking from D-Mart, 15 minutes from Methven Hill Station and 10 minutes from proposed new Penville Curzon rail station. We are giving very good amenities, like garden, gym, society office, generator backup for lift and common areas, intercom facility and CCTV camera for security. Have a look on some of pics directly from site: entrance, hall, kitchen, bedroom, the beautiful view from balcony. Our project is approved by HDFC Bank, Punjab National Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, DHFL, India Bulls, IIFL Bank and many more other banks, so don't worry for loan. You can also avail the benefit of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. You can check out all important documents in RERA website. Our registration number is P5200004480. Visit the project now. You can also call us on 829100760 or 82919688568. Thank you for watching.